Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back with my lovely mother, Mama Jo. And today I will be teaching her a couple head wrap styles using the long locks head wraps. And here I have the full line. Are you aware of what colors we have?
Some of them.
Okay, so let's go through them. As we go through the colors, I want you to choose 3 that you'll be using today, and I'll be choosing 3 as well. We're going to be doing our head wrap styles simultaneously. Olive.
Olive.
Okay.
Gold.
Gold.
Red.
The bright red or the burgundy shade?
Bright red.
Bright red, alright. I'll go with this Old Navy shade. This camel shade.
Try this.
Green. Okay. This is the Mase shade. So do you know what type of style you would like me to teach you first?
With all the hair up.
All of it up. Alright. Okay, when creating our head wrap styles, it's important that we start off with the foundation of the head wrap, which means our hairstyle. So we're going to start off with doing a high bun. You want it to be high, correct?
Yeah.
So we're going to start off by putting our hair into high buns. So here's the hairstyle for you. And you put it as high as you want it, however high you want the head wrap to be. And obviously it doesn't need to be neat because it's going to be completely covered. So which color are you starting off with? Olive?
Olive one.
Okay. I left it here locked down, that's fine. And I'll start off with the Old Navy. Okay, so then you want to find the middle of the wrap. Like the middle of the fabric. Okay, perfect. And then you want to put it on top of your head, like so.
Like this?
Yes. And now you want to grab the ends and tie it, or I should say cross it. No, don't tie it, but cross it at the front.
Cross it?
Yes. Yes. And okay, okay, well, we'll come back and fix that in a bit. Once you have crossed it, you can go towards the back and wrap it around. And then wrap it again, and as much as you can. Don't cross it again. Wrap around the base of the bun. And start tucking the ends in. Okay. And because my bun is still exposed, I'm gonna like tuck my bun in. Alright, so this is your first try. So this is what you have so far, and what we want to do is get the front of this to look more like this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is pull on the fabric so that it's smooth. This is the part of the head wrap that is probably the most important, how it frames the face. So I'm going to smoothen it here. And I'm going to tuck these lumps, or like mold the lumps. So, I mean, this is her first attempt. You know, it's not terrible. It's not terrible. It's not great, but it's not terrible. You know, so what I wanted. Wait, can you like turn to the side? Okay, so you can see how hers look from the side versus how mine looks from the side. And the difference is the volume of locks that I have versus hers. So if you want your head wrap to be like big and voluminous like mine, but you don't have as much hair, what you can do is grab a second wrap. So what I'm going to do is, and I'll do this for you. I'm going to grab this one. This is the Golden Aura one. And turn to the side, please. I'm going to wrap the bun with it. Wrap it. This is probably not ideal. What would probably be ideal is to do this underneath this, do this first, and then do this. But just so you guys can get an idea. So we'll probably do it the correct way next time. But I hope this gives a nice visual. So let's start over. Okay, so you want this green color to be on the top, right? On the outside?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to actually, you know what would also help if this bun was a bit higher.
Okay.
So I'll move it for you. Okay. And you guys will see how much the bun placement plays a role. All right. So you see how that's more as higher as that's more along the lines of where my bun was. We'll do the black one. This is onyx.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to wrap the bun with it. Loosely. Oops, wait, this way. Loosely is just for volume. It's just for volume. While it's loose, it still has to be secure. You know, you don't want to be walking around in the world feeling like your hair style's gonna fall off. All right. Now I'll let you do this part. Do you want me to demonstrate again, or do you think you got it?
Demonstrate again.
Okay.
No harm. Practice makes perfect.
All right, so I'll take it down. I'll do the moss. So find the center of the fabric and then put it on like so. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, best practice, rather than move your head, move your hands to your head. So don't bend down. Just bring your head wrap up.
Okay.
Okay, so now you have the ends, and now you're gonna cross on the top of your forehead. Perfect. Perfect. Now you're gonna wrap the ends around the base of the bun. And it doesn't have to be very tight. You don't have to tie it, just wrap it around. Just pull it, just switch sides.
Okay.
Switch fabrics, yeah. And then now wrap the ends and tuck them into the fabric. So wherever you can find like an opening, tuck them in. And then we'll go back and fix any things. Like you see how mine is open still? I'm gonna tuck that in. Okay, you did really good with this first one. So here's an opening up here. Well, there's an opening. Where's another opening? I'll put it right here.
This takes practice.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and now I'm gonna tuck this part in so it's secure. And there you have it. This is, you like it? You have a second hole?
I don't know, it's had 3 holes. This is wrong with you.
You never wear. I never saw you wear nothing in the other holes.
That is where I put
the plug, yeah, the faux plugs. I got the real plugs. She has the faux plugs. My gauges.
Mm-hmm. Oh, like a queen.
Oh, period. See? Oh, you look so cute. I mean, not cute. Not cute.
Royal.
Regal.
Royalty.
Elegant.
Don't
Yes,
forget
queen.
Black History Month all year.
What did Bobby Brown say?
Black History Month, we need the whole year.
We need a whole
Black History Year, how about Black History Year for 1 year?
Yeah.
Out of every 2 years, 1 year, Black History Year.
It's Black History Year. It's Black History Year.
All year. All
Every
year.
Yeah.
All year.
So now we're going to do style number 2, which will be a half up, half down style. So the main purpose of this style is so we can look elegant and feel elegant with our head wraps, but we still want to show off our natural locks underneath. So we're going to start off with sectioning our hair in half up, half down style. You want to do it a bit higher. Remember how last time, the situation we did?
Mm-hmm.
Put it like right on top.
Okay.
No, on top.
Oh, right at front to the front. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Top.
It's okay. So top. So what that means is you wanna let go.
Mm-hmm.
Pull your hair to the top so that your bun is right here
To the front.
on the top. The top. So you could finish the bun at this point. But you see the placement, or you get the placement where it is.
Yeah, I think so.
That is often referred to as a top knot.
Oh, okay.
All right. So now we want to. Let me do it.
Good.
For the snap of confirmation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you're gonna be using this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is in the color candy apple. So which one did I choose? Oh, it's gonna be the brown one, the camel one, right? So you know the drill. We're gonna find the midpoint of the wrap and put it behind. Oh, perfect. And then grip the ends. And we're gonna do the same thing. So basically what we're doing is the same thing as before.
Mm-hmm.
The only difference is that our hair is down
Okay.
on the bottom.
Okay. Of course.
Okay, I forgot to give you a base. So let's see how it looks without the base and see how you want it. I see you I see you implementing tucking and crossing and tying. These are all concepts that you want to remember when it comes to making your head wraps. Crossing, tucking, tying. Okay, not bad for your second attempt. Not bad. So you see there's like a loose piece right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but you want to make sure that's tucked. And like loose here, you want to make sure this stuff's all on. I'll take it from here. Okay, how does that feel? Comfortable?
Yeah.
Do you like it? That's cute. I don't think that you need a base wrap for this. I think it's because you had a smaller bun with most of your hair down, so you had much more room to wrap the fabric around the base to give that volume that we desire. So I like this a lot, and I like this color. It's very loud, very vibrant, and very you, Caribbean lady.
Here's Africa and me.
Okay, so and we'll do one more style, right? We'll do one more.
Sure.
Period. Okay, so my mom requests a very simple style for style number 3. So basically, we're going to be wearing our hair down. So the way I like to do it is have my hair to the front while I'm doing this because I like how my hair frames my face in the front. So we're gonna start like that. And we're gonna do 2 wraps with this, but I'm gonna show you the first way, which again, we're gonna find our middle point. So we have even ends to work with. And we're gonna put it on our head normal like this. Not normal, but put it on our head, just lay it on top, right? But we want the seam to sit like above our eyebrows. Yeah, that right there, that's good. And then with the ends, we're going to tie it. This is an easy way to wear it. It helps keep your hair contained, very cute, and you all can wear it wherever you want. I personally like it right above my eyebrows, but maybe you like it midway in your forehead, whichever you feel it frames your face best. So that's one way to wear it. You can do it like this, but you can also take the ends, and like twirl it into a bun, or a knot, I should say, like a knot. Like this.
Okay.
And this is like a really simple way to wear it. Like, does that look okay?
Yeah.
That's a really simple way to wear it.
So you gotta take the ends and make it into one knot.
Yeah, so like twirl it around, just like how you would make a bun with your own hair.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you twisting it helps. Yep. Perfect. Boom. That's cute. That's cute. Okay, and now one more way. That also includes having our hair down, so we can just snatch that off real quick. And we're kind of just basically doing the opposite of what we did. So instead of that bun being in the back, it's gonna be boom. You ever seen that?
I've seen it.
Yeah, you don't like it?
I have never really.
You don't like it? Well, we're gonna try it anyway.
I just want to demonstrate. No, I've never tried it on me, so I don't know if I like it when I see it.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna grab one more color for this one. I'll do it in white diamonds, and that is Mauve Majesty. Okay, that is Cobalt. We have 2 shades of blue. That's the Cobalt, and earlier I did the Old Navy. Old Navy. So like we did in the beginning, we're going to find the halfway point and then put it on top. But you see how like the focus is on covering the back of my head? Yeah. So now we're going to cross in the front. And at this point, it could help if you actually tie it. So let's tie it in the front. Tie it. Cool. And before we move any forward, let's like make sure that it's framing our face the way we like, tucking in any excess fabric. So I'll tuck it in for you. You might not be able to see that very clearly. That works. So now with the pieces, where's mine? Okay. Kind of like what we did before. We're gonna make a knot or a bun with the ends. So we're going to twirl it into a knot. And security and sensibilities. Okay, you got yours before me. Hey, hold up.
I'm not sure if it's.
I mean, you might need to secure it more, but you definitely got the general idea.
Okay. Yeah, mine is not as firm as yours. I think that if it's firm, it would be better.
To twist it tighter, you mean?
Yeah,
okay.
It's more tightly.
Okay. Tuck in any pieces.
I wouldn't want to use this because it's just too much on my face. I'm wearing the glasses plus this is like just too much for me.
Okay. Well, when you wear your contacts, you can do that. I'm wearing my contacts currently, and I think I like it. I think I like it. You like it? All right, so that's it. Thank you, Mom, for being my gracious model and co-educator on today. I know it's been a while. My mom is a former teacher.
Not former.
Retired.
Good. Once a teacher, you always a teacher. I'm always educating you, aren't I?
Sure.
Here, if you listen to me, you're never too old to learn. You know, once you're alive, learning's supposed to take place. Right?
Absolutely. Or else what are you doing here?
Uh-huh.
All right. So
Yeah.
this is one of her first attempts at seriously wearing a head wrap. So of course we're not expecting perfection, but practice makes perfect. Okay, so make sure you grab your long locks head wraps at KeishaCharmaine.com. Stock up on your favorite colors. And right now, if you're watching this video the week of February 2nd, then we have a special going on right now where you can buy 5, get your 6th free. Make sure you add 6 to your cart and you'll see the 6th one is free when you use the code CROWN at checkout. Okay, that's my gift from me to you for this week only. All right?
Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.
Bye.